Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Ryan and this is Jessica.
Hi friends, welcome to our English video today in this office lobby.
Today you will learn simple English for time and meetings, mostly A1 level.
Yes, and sometimes we use a little B1 English for practice and challenge.
Please subscribe to our channel and join us for more easy English lessons.
And comment below. Tell us where you are watching from today, please.
Hey Jessica, good morning. You are very early. How are you today?
Hi Ryan, good morning. I am fine, thanks. Am I really early?
The meeting is at 10 o'clock, but now it is only 9 o'clock.
Oh no, I thought the meeting was at 9, not at 10.
It is okay, do not worry. You are just 1 hour early today.
I always mix up times. I really want to understand schedules better.
We can use this time to practice English for meetings and time expressions.
Great idea. I want to say the meeting time clearly and correctly.
First, let us practice saying times, 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10:15, and so on.
Okay, I repeat after you. This helps me not confuse different times.
Let us move into this small meeting room to practice more expressions.
Nice. It is quiet here. We can focus on the language better.
We say the meeting starts at 10 and the meeting ends at 11.
So, start at 10, end at 11. That gives us 1 hour.
If you arrive at 9, you are early. If you arrive at 11, you are late.
So, early means before the time, late means after the time. Easy.
We also say, let us schedule a meeting at 10, or let us reschedule.
Reschedule means change the time, right? Move the meeting to another time.
Can you say a full sentence like, our meeting is at 10 on Monday?
Sure. Our meeting is at 10 on Monday. I will be on time.
Let us practice asking for the time politely here near the clock.
Good idea. I always feel shy asking, but I know it is important.
You can say, excuse me, what time is it, please? Very simple.
Excuse me, what time is it, please? Is that polite enough?
Then answer, it is 9:45 or it is 9:45, depending.
So, 9:45 and 9:45 are the same time, right?
For clear scheduling, always repeat the time and day to avoid confusion.
That makes sense. Confirming details can prevent mistakes, like my early arrival today.
In email, you can write, the meeting is at 10 a.m. local time.
I like that phrase, local time. It reduces confusion when people are traveling.
We still have a little time before the meeting actually starts.
Yes, but now I understand the time clearly, so I feel calm.
Can you review? What did you learn about time expressions and scheduling today?
I learned to ask the time, say times clearly, and always confirm meeting details.
Now it is almost 10. We should say goodbye to our viewers.
Yes, but first, thank you for practicing English with us today.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time. Goodbye, Jessica.
Bye, everyone. Thanks again for learning with us. Goodbye, Ryan. See you at the meeting. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Will shows promise or intent. Excuse me, what time is it, please? Excuse me and please soften tone. Inversion in what time is it? It is 9:45. It is 9:45. Same time, different phrasing. Let us practice is a suggestion. Let us schedule a meeting at 10. Let us reschedule. Can you say a full sentence is soft? Can you is softer than a command. We can use this time to practice can shows ability or offer. The meeting is at 10 a.m. local time. Local time adds clarity. In email shows the medium. Near the clock shows location. Into this small meeting room equals motion. I always mix up times. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Always, after subject and present. I really want to understand schedules. Really intensifies the desire. You are just 1 hour early. Just softens the message. I thought the meeting was at 9. Past thought plus past was. Always repeat the time and day. Confirming details can prevent gerund subject confirming. I repeat after you. Repeat after shows a practice step. We can focus on the language better. Better compares focus quality. Early means before the time. Late means after the time. Reschedule means change the time. Move the meeting to another time. 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10:15. Use commas to list times. I will show when to use them in real life. Present simple shows schedules. The meeting is at 10 o'clock. Form be plus at plus time. The meeting starts at 10. Starts is a present simple verb. The meeting ends at 11. Start/end form a clear pair. If you arrive at 9, you are early. If you arrive at 11, you are late. Early equals before, late equals after. Our meeting is at 10 on Monday. Order at plus time on plus day. I will be on time.